Gina, make sure everything is pristine and pops. You want them to be cutting like new or better. Always go for better. That's what we tell everyone. And you never want to see a tell. You never want to know that they were sharpened until it's time to actually do some cutting. And they should stay pristine for like the first 20, 30 sharpenings. Alrighty? Also, Miguel is going to replace your washer in the cutting shear. Cross your fingers. I hope we have one that size. And then every day, oil that part especially. You just loosen the screw as loose as you can and squirt some oil in there so that the chemicals from all the products doesn't oxidate and rot out the copper washer.